Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pullix token. Now the Pullix token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. Brand new token, brand new pre-sale. Pullix.io is their official webpage. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, in the dynamic realm of online trading, Pullix stands as a pioneering solution that seamlessly integrates online trading, cryptocurrency, and anonymity. Going beyond the ordinary online brokers, Pullix is a state-of-the-art platform that harnesses the security, speed, and execution of the biggest exchanges, providing a smooth trading experience while incorporating cryptocurrency transactions. The introduction of cryptocurrency, especially our exclusive token, the PLX token, which is the ticker symbol for Pullix, transforms the conventional online trading platform. PLX is a distinctive cryptocurrency asset that plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by offering traders unprecedented rewards and benefits. It goes beyond a mere digital currency, serving as a value-driven component supported by stabilized by a proportion of the Pullix revenue. So they have a full white paper you can check out at pullix-io.gitbook.io/pullix.io-whitepaper-1. So, I mean, or you could just easily find it on the webpage that I mentioned earlier, pullix.io. So, the solutions that they're offering for traders. So it says instant accessibility. Pullix offers users seamless access to trading directly through its online web-based platform, eliminating the need to download additional apps or software, significantly lowering entry barriers. They also have secure and encrypted infrastructure. Utilizing blockchain security infrastructure, Pullix ensures that all interactions, trades, and transactions are encrypted, guaranteed, and protected, protecting the trader's data and funds. Real-time community engagement. The platform actively cultivates a community via Telegram channels and Discord groups, ensuring continuous trader engagement, timely information dissemination, and facilitation of instantaneous feedback. Also, trader incentives and loyalty initiatives. Traders accumulate PLX as they trade, guaranteeing continuous rewards for their loyalty and involvement. This dynamic enhances the trading experience, making it more engaging and gratifying. Also, ensuring economic stability. A segment of the brokerage's daily revenue will support the PLX token, ensuring its stability and mitigating the risks associated with the usual volatility of cryptocurrencies. Also, future possibilities. So the versatility of PLX extends beyond the confines of the brokerage. Potential future integrations could allow its use in partner platforms, facilitating exchanges for various services, or even enabling staking for additional benefits. And adherence to regulations and licensing. So Pullix's dedication to becoming a fully licensed and lawful platform guarantees legal safeguards. Traders benefit from the protective measures established by the regulatory frameworks governing licensed online brokers. and wider recognition. So possessing the appropriate licensing allows Pullix to operate in a diverse range of jurisdictions, optimizing the potential user base. We aim to incorporate legal entities in various onshore and offshore jurisdictions and operate under various licenses. So they do have a roadmap starting with pre-sale launch, formation, marketing campaign, platform development and integration, a license acquisition, iOS and Android app development, a beta launch, complete the pre-sale, PLX launch on a decentralized exchange, viral marketing push, a burn dashboard launch, centralized exchange listings, second license acquisition, brand ambassador programs, influencer marketing push, community engagement and expansion. Then they have the utility for the token. You can use it for trading credits, exclusive access, staking, rewards, interchangeability, and reduced trading fees. So they have the tokenomics too on their paper here, and it says this is on the Ethereum blockchain. There is a fixed supply of 200 million PLX tokens. Initial price is 4 cents per token. Soft cap is $2 million and hard cap is $8 million. How the token is split up: 60% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 12% marketing, 10% exchange listings, 10% rewards, and 8% team. So after the pre-sale is over, you can use the token for staking or providing liquidity and get more tokens that way. Now, they do have a full audit by InterFi Network that you can check out on their paper. They also have a how to buy section. So purchasing PLX pre-sale tokens is a simple and straightforward process simply by following the steps. Register for an account using your email and create a password. Once you've created an account, you will need to select which cryptocurrency you prefer to use to make a purchase with PLX. You will receive a payment where you need to send the funds. You can copy the address and scan the QR code, and that's it. Once you've sent the payment and the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your PLX tokens will show up on your dashboard usually 30 minutes after your purchase. They have frequently asked questions. They have the contract address on their paper there. If you go to their webpage, right at the very top, Pullix.io, you can find white paper, sign up, log in, change the language. There's online chat if you get stuck. They have their partners on here, Ethereum, Uniswap, etc. And then there's a button right there. It says join presale, enter email. So it's pretty straightforward how to find this on their webpage, Pullix.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.